Hi, I'm Carson Ivel. This is my new 2012 Premium Duo bike check. Just gonna go over the bike and some stuff about it. First, just stock hubs, Alienation Defiant rims. Yeah, just all stock basically, and then you can look at it. Yeah. Nice stock stem, stock bars. New ODI long neck grips. I like the red with the red all mixed together. Integrated headset, Ritchie, still stock. Got some new black label plastic pedals for it, matching red. Stock crank, stock chain wheel, Odyssey chain, stock brakes, Alienation black sheep back rims, triple walled, stock hub, and yeah, and stock seat, Pivotal premium products, stock seat post and everything. That's about it.